What's going on, everybody? Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to perform element-wise addition and multiplication of a data frame using Python and Pandas. So I've already written out the data frames here. There are three. It's a 3x3, two 3x3s, and it's important that these data frames have the same dimensions. So here you go. Here's data frame 1. You can see. Yeah, there you go. See, the A's are going down. 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there are your two data frames. So I'm going to teach you how to multiply one by the other using Python and Pandas. Let's get right into it. Hit the subscribe button if you like this sort of content. df_sum equals df1.add df2. Easy enough. And then df_product equals df1.multiply df2. And then we're going to print df_sum. And then we're going to print df_sum. And we're going to print df multiply, and we're going to print df_product. And let's check the multiplication. So we're looking at A0, which is going to be 10 times 1, which equals 10. 1A is going to be 20 times 2, which is 40. And then we have 30 times 3, which is 90. That makes sense. So those are the A's. And then the B's, which is going to be 40 times 4, which is going to be 160. 50 times 5, which is going to be 250. 60 times 6, 640. There you go. So those are your that's your products. And then here's the addition. A, 10 plus 1, 11. And then 2 plus 20 is 22. 30 plus 3, 33. Yeah, there you go. Easy enough. So that's how you do element-wise multiplication and addition using Pandas and Python. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.